Have you ever wondered how other companies keep track of their numerous legal entities and their associated compliance requirements? Especially companies with dozens and hundreds of subsidiaries reach their limits with an Excel sheet. Therefore, legal entity management software is the answer. In this video, we will quickly dive into the software category, its typical features and its benefits. Hi, my name is Lisa and I'm the founder and CEO of Fides. Fides is a holistic governance workflow automation platform that, among other functionalities, has a globally customizable legal entity management capacity. Our customers include companies of all sizes and industries, so I am excited to tell you how a tool like ours makes their lives easier and why you should consider implementing it if you have not yet. Legal entity management tools provide a centralized platform that allows companies to manage all of their legal entities' data, deadlines and documents. From corporate records to compliance obligations, everything is organized and up to date. Standard documents that are oftentimes searched or sent around, such as entity formation documents, certificates of good standing, and corporate governance documents, will always be found in the same place within a legal entity management tool. Core features of legal entity management tools also include an entities list, so you can quickly access relevant entity information like who are the representatives, registration numbers, or other key data. Another crucial feature is a flexible structure chart to visualize ownership and intercompany relations. This feature in particular saves a lot of time and substitutes manual, cumbersome PowerPoint slide creation. You can easily export the desired version of the structure chart as a PDF and use it for KYC purposes or attach it to contracts. With legal entity management tools, companies can track key compliance tasks and deadlines, such as annual report filings, business license renewals, and holding regular board meetings. The tools also provide alerts and notifications to ensure that important deadlines are not missed. You should ensure that the legal entity management tool allows for customization based on entity form and jurisdiction. Ideally, the tool has built-in legal guidance. This is really valuable if you have subsidiaries in many countries and will save you lots of time, costs for legal resources you would otherwise need. Legal entity management tools are designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, allowing even non-legal professionals to navigate and manage their legal entities easily. By using legal entity management tools, companies can save time, reduce costs, and improve their overall compliance posture. So, whether you're a small business or a large corporation, a legal entity management tool is essential and money well invested for managing your legal entities and compliance requirements. Legal entity management is the basis for many other governance workflows, so it makes sense to look out for providers who offer more connected functionalities on top. Fides, for example, includes workflows for contract management, resolutions, approvals, and meetings on top, so that all things corporate housekeeping can be done through one single tool and real automation is possible. If you're curious to learn more about state-of-the-art legal entity management, feel free to reach out to us and we can give you a little tour of Fides and brainstorm if we are the right provider for you.